You all agree it is good to have a deputy. Saa zingine anakutetea. Distinguished taxpayers, I am very happy to be with you as we celebrate this year's National Taxpayers Day, a very unique and special moment in our national calendar, whose significance needs to be fully appreciated by those of us in this room, the many taxpayers across Kenya, and every Kenyan, for that matter. This occasion is not intended to focus on the success of the National Revenue Administration body in performing its constitutional and statutory function, because in any case, that is their responsibility. Rather, this day is special because as a nation, we are taking the moment to appreciate exemplary individual and corporate citizens for their patriotism and commitment to the performance of their civic obligation to pay tax.